everyone, let's solve for the value of x. All right, I'm going to transfer this to this side of the equation, and when I do that, I will have x to the power of 4 minus x minus 1 to the power of 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now recall that a to the power of m raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. Excuse me. So that means that I can write this as x to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2, because 2 times 2 will give me 4, right? Minus x minus 1 to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 0. Now, we are seeing difference of 2 squares here. Yes, this is difference of 2 squares. And difference of 2 squares states that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Therefore, that means that I can rewrite this as x squared plus x minus 1 squared multiplied by x squared minus x minus 1 squared is equal to 0. Now recall that a minus b raised to the power of 2 is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So we are going to make use of this to expand this. Okay, so that means that we can write x squared plus, now a in this case is what? X. So we have x squared minus 2ab, that is 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 1. I'm expanding this now. Then plus b squared, that is 1 squared, right? Multiplied by x squared minus, I'm going to have the same thing here, okay, minus excuse me, x squared minus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 1 plus 1 squared, right, is equal to 0. All right, now this is the same thing as x squared plus x squared will give us 2x squared. All right, then minus 2x plus 1. Then this is x squared. Let's open this bracket. Minus times x squared will give us minus x squared. Minus times this minus is plus, and 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 1 is 2x, and minus times plus 1 squared will give us minus 1, because 1 squared is still 1, right, is equal to 0. Now, if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, please click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. I upload videos daily, okay? So tune in at your convenience to watch for new uploads. Thank you so much. So from here we have 2x squared minus 2x plus 1 multiplied by x squared minus x squared will give us 0. So what we have is 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, because we have two things equated to be equal to 0, that simply means that we can say that 2x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. And we can also say that 2x minus 1 is also equal to 0. Now, to solve this, we cannot solve this without the use of quadratic equation formula. Now, the quadratic equation formula states that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. Now, our a is what? Our a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 2. So we'll write that a is equal to 2. We'll write that b is equal to coefficient of x, which is minus 2. And c is our constant, which is 1. So if we substitute that here, then we'll have that x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by a is 2, and our b and our c is 1, right, divided by 2a, that is 2 multiplied by 2. So we have that x is equal to minus will give us plus, so we have plus 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 2 squared will give us 4 minus 4 times 2 will give us 8, divided by 2 times 2 will give us 4. Okay, all right, so we have x is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of minus 4 divided by 4. Our x is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 multiplied by square root of minus 1 divided by 4. All right, so that means that our x is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 will give us 2, and square root of minus 1 will give us I, divided by 4. So we have x to be 2 over 4 plus or minus 2i over 4. All right, so we can get x to be equal to 1 over 2 plus or minus I over 2, which is the same thing as saying that x is equal to 1 plus or minus I divided by 2. All right, so this means that the first value of x will give us 1 plus I divided by 2, and the second value, x2, will be equal to 1 minus I divided by 2. So this is the first and the second value of x. Now let's go ahead and solve for the third value of our x. Now the third value of x, this is where we are. Permit me to roll this. Okay, all right, now recall where we said 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. What we just solved is this. Now let's solve for 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So if we solve that, we have 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, right? So that means that 2x is equal to minus 1 will cross to become plus 1, so we have 1. Now to get the value of x, we are going to divide both sides of this equation by 2. All right, so this will cancel this. We have x is equal to half. So that means that the third value of our x is equal to half. Therefore the first and the second value of x is equal to this and this, while the third value of our x is equal to this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.